We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 5 of Excel. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to move downward there. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. We just increase its size, change its color. Here is project description, change its color. Okay. So in today video we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. We will discuss this chapter in detail step by step, but before going to solve this chapter, now we are moving toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. In today assignment we have 20 questions. 20 mean last one is a non-graded one, which we have to save, close and submit the sheet, then get grade. So we have just 19 question in graded part. So let me start today assignment. As we discussed early in the video that the name of today assignment is Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. Here is a project description. So you manage several apartment complexes in Phoenix, Arizona. You created a dataset that lists detail for each apartment, okay, such as apartment number, including a number of bedrooms, whether the unit is rented or vacant, the last remodel date, rent and deposits. You will use datasets to aggregate data to analyze the apartment at complexes. So that was just simply project description that we have read that one. Okay, after reading project description we can get idea what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Now moving toward graded board, steps to perform, instructions. Start Excel, download and open the file name, this one. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So first we have to open solution file. It is just getting opening. Then now we are moving toward the next part, question number 2. Before subtotaling the data, you need to sort the data, okay? So select the summary sheet. First we have to select the summary sheet. Then sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetic order. Okay. Then and further sort it by bed, the number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. So we have to select this data set. Then in home, in editing group, sort and filter, and here is custom sort option. In first we have to sort the data by apartment complex, and then sort it by bedroom. smallest to largest. Okay, so question number question number 2 is done, and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 2 we have to select the summary sheet, then sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetic order, and further sort it by bed, the number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. After solving question number 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. You want to use a subtotal feature to display the average total deposit by number of bedrooms for each apartment complex. So use a subtotal feature to insert a subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. So we have to use subtotal feature here. So select this table, then simply click on data, and here in outline option there is subtotal feature. Simply no. Insert subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate average total deposit. Average total deposit. Okay. Yes. Then this is our first subtotal, simply press OK. Then next we have to add second subtotal without removing the first one. Okay, so we have to add the second one. Then in second one, by bed. Okay, now we have to by bed. Here we select bed average to calculate the average total deposit by number of bedrooms. Number calculate average of total deposit. Simply press OK, so that will be on done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we have to create two subtotal features. In first one we have to insert subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate average total deposit. Then add a second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by bed to calculate the average total deposit by number of bedroom. So we have earned 5 marks from there. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Use the outline sample to display only two levels of subtotal row. Okay, so create an automatic outline. Now we have to create their automatic outline group, and there is auto outline. Then collapse the outline above total deposit. Where is a total deposit? Here is total deposit. This one we have to collapse that one. Okay. So question number 4 is done, and we have earned 3 marks from there. So in question number 4, we just use outline samples to display only two levels of subtotal row. Create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above the total deposit. Question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. You want to create a pivot table to determine the total monthly rental revenue for a quiet apartment. So display the rental sheet. First we have to display a rental sheet. Then create a blank pivot table on a new sheet. Okay, that must be left off our rental sheet. Okay, here. So we have to create, insert this pivot table option. We have to create blank pivot table. Okay, that is in left of rental. Okay, then change the name of a sheet to rental revenue. Now we just simply copy the name from here. Then Right click, paste the name. Okay. Then name the pivot table or rental revenue. Now we have to name the pivot table to rental revenue. Copy this one. Then select this pivot table. In pivot table, there is a name option. We have to paste the name. So question number 5 is done, and we have earned how many marks? 5 marks from there also. Okay. So in question number 5, what we have done, we just simply display oriental sheet, then create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of oriental sheet. Then change the name of worksheet to oriental revenue. Then in last part, we have to name that pivot table oriental revenue. Okay. We have to change the name of our sheet rental revenue and the name of pivot table also rental revenue. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we get this result. Okay, now moving toward question number 7. Display the apartment complex and beds field in row area. Okay, now we have to just drag this one to row area, and next one is bed hash bed, this one to there. Then and a rental price field as a value area. This one is as value. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 6 we have to display the apartment complex and hash bed fields in a row and rental price field as a value. We have displayed and we get the result. Okay. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7, where we have to format the sum of rental price for accounting number format with a zero decimal place. Okay, we have to format this sum of rental to accounting number format. Okay, here is accounting number format with a zero decimal place and simply press OK. Then enter custom names total rent calculated. Okay, now we have to name this one total rental calculated, so we just copy the name from there, then click there and there is custom name. We have to change the name, simply press OK. So question number 7 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 7, we just format the sum of a rental price for accounting number format with a zero decimal place. Then enter custom name, a total rent calculated. So question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. Select the occupied field for filter and set the filter to yes to display data for occupied apartment. Okay. So in this way we will solve question number 8 and we will earn 5 marks from there. So same way we will solve other parts also. You may see we have just 19 question. Out of 19 question we have done first 8 to 9 question in today's assignment. Almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 1 ML2 apartments. Then here is project description, and in project description, after reading project description, then we move toward graded report and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2, where we have to select summary sheet, then sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetic order and further sort it by bed from smallest to largest. Then we move toward question number 3, where we have to use subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate average total deposit. Then add second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by bed to calculate average total display by number of bedrooms. Then we move toward question number 4, where we have to use outline symbol to display only the two levels of subtotal rows. Create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above total deposit. Then we move toward question number 5 and we have solved question number 5 step by step. Then we move toward question number 6 and we have to display apartment complex and beds field in the row and rental price field as value. Then in question number 7 we have to format the sum of rental price for accounting number format with a zero decimal place and enter custom names total rent collected. Same way we have solved question number 8. So almost half of assignment, 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your result will be 100%. File will be ready in next 30 minutes and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, textbook project, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Result will be 100%. So in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.